Imagine showcasing your artwork like this, beautifully displayed in realistic, stylish rooms, ready for clients or your own portfolio. Whether it's hanging above a sofa or displayed on a sleek TV wall, this tool makes your art look professional and ready to sell. Let me show you how. I'm Asasi and welcome back to my channel, where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives just like you. Today we're diving into the Mockup Generator command. This feature allows you to take your art to the next level by placing it in realistic, stylish mockups. Whether you want to display vertical, square, or landscape art, this tool helps you create professional visuals effortlessly. Stick around until the end because I've got something exciting to share, including a teaser about how you can create your very own AI tool and automate it. Let's jump right in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on the Mockups command. And in the last video, I went over the landscape art where I showed you how you can create wall and TV art. So if you want to check that video out, you can right here. And let's go ahead and get with Mockups. It is going to give us a template that you can fill in. I'm going to simply say random landscape size and make sure the TV frame inside the image is landscape. And I want to make sure it's facing the viewer because sometimes it'll put on the side. So I can say also make sure it is facing the viewer. And let's go. All right, and there we have it. Nice, nice, nice. So what we're going to do is copy this image. We're going to take it over here to Canva and not that one. Okay, actually I need to delete that one. I was playing around with that. Okay, pop it in here. And I'm going to show you what I do once I have it in here. Okay, we're going to go over to elements and choose, I already played around with it, so we're going to choose the landscape frame. And I am going to minimize it. And fit it inside the TV frame. Okay, this one is not, I don't believe this is the one I normally use. Let me go back to elements. Yeah, there we go. I needed to be able to move it on all sides like this. Okay, yeah, perfect. And just a little bit. I want it to stay on the inside. Let me see. Maybe a little bit on the inside right there. Okay, that looks great. And then I lock it so that it stays in place. And I just noticed it gave me a little small one over there. You know what? I may, because it gave me that one, let's go over here and I'm going to put vertical frame. Okay. Make sure, I want to make sure I can, okay, do all sides. Uh-oh, what is that? Nope, that's not the one I want. Let's go with this one. Let's see if it'll let us position it without me needing the side. No, it's not. Okay. I was trying to make this quick, but it's trying to make it hard for me. That one doesn't have all sides either. Yeah, that one is. Oh, you know what I could do? Let's try square. Okay. And let's see. Okay, there we go. This one works a little bit better. Move it down just a little bit and lock it in place. Okay, now I already have some images that I have created, so I'm gonna pop this one in since it's Christmas coming up. Cute. And let's see if I have any vertical images I can use real quick. I'm gonna go in my project folder, images. Wait a minute, where's my... I did have some folders, but let me see if I got a quick landscape image I can put in here. That'll work. Okay, so as you see, that is pretty simple. The tool pretty much did all the work. All you need to do is put in a frame so that you can pop in your picture, and we have 2 pictures here. It's lovely. Okay, let's go and make a few more. And I'm going to just say make another one. Another similar one. But with a different setting. Make another similar one, but with a different setting. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, that one is nice as well. Seems like it has a little extra bar, but hey, you know what? That could be like the music sound system. So we'll go with this one. And I'm gonna copy this image, pop it in, add it as the background. And then we're gonna go over here to our, should be already over here, our elements. Let's put in recently used, see if we're gonna show up the one. Yep. Okay, we'll minimize this and align it with the TV screen inside the image. Like that. It's a little bit off at the top, so we're gonna do that. And I do want to show a little bit of the frame. The TV, let's see. I think that looks good. Okay, and let's try, let me grab another image that I created. Christmas thing. And voila. See how simple and easy that is? And you can display this on, use this as mockups for Etsy when you want to show off your artwork. You on your Shopify, whatever shop you have online. And let's do another one. Okay. Great. Let's do another one. Different setting. Let's say office. Office setting. Let's just say a different setting. I'll let it decide. Love it. I love the colors. This one is nice. Okay, and we're gonna pop this one in. Set images background. We'll get our element. And resize it. I think that's good. Now we need to go a little bit out. Just a little bit. Okay. This one wants to. Okay, that's not bad. Let me do this one. Okay. Gonna lock it in place. Let's find a nice image to put inside. Have we already? Let's use this one. Okay, nice. I love it. And let's try one more. Give me one more. Let's see. Luxury setting. Ooh, beautiful. I like. Okay, copy image. Pop it in here. Okay, we'll go over here. Try elements. Okay. And maybe take this one down just a notch. Okay, lock it in place. Let's see if we can find an image. Let's see if this one will look nice inside of it. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. I love it. See how simple and easy it is? And I had already created this, so let's just pop in an image for that one. Let's use one that I created on the last. This one is, let's go with that one. That's cute. And beautiful. I love it. Within minutes, we've created some stunning mock-up images that you can pop in your artwork really quick and easy. And with this tool, I have already included some mock-ups that you can use as well when purchasing this tool. So you can either generate your own or you can use the ones that are already included. And it also is a Canva template. So you can open up a Canva and just pop in the image that you've created with this tool. And that's how you use the Mockup command in Artesian AI to showcase your artwork like a pro. Whether for social media, client portfolios, or your digital shop, this tool makes your art look polished and ready to sell. But here's something even better. Would you like to learn how to create your own AI tool and automate it? If that sounds exciting, stay tuned because I'm launching my AI Workflow Collective Beta program where I teach you step by step how to build and automate your own GPT. The link to join the waitlist is in the description below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what theme or tools you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.